In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add views to your projects in Clickup. First, let's navigate to the Clickup platform, which serves as your go-to tool for work management. You can access it by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL clickup.com. Once the page loads, you should see the option to log in. Simply hit that login button and you'll be taken to the sign-in page. Here, you have a couple of options to access your account. For this tutorial, we're going to use the sign in with Google feature, which is convenient if your Google account is linked with Clickup. After clicking on the sign in with Google button, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from the list. Choose the desired account that is linked to your Clickup workspace. This step ensures seamless integration and speeds up your workflow by allowing Clickup to access the information associated with your Google account. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to select the specific folder containing the project you want to add views to. Navigate through your workspace and click on the folder that houses your project. Sometimes you might have multiple folders, especially if you're working on several projects simultaneously, so make sure you're choosing the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once you've accessed the right folder, locate the View button and click on it. This button is crucial because it offers different perspectives on your tasks, which can be great for project visualization. Clicking on the View button presents you with several options to customize how you see your project tasks. The options can vary significantly based on your plan and permissions within Clickup, providing flexibility and allowing you to tailor your workspace display according to your preferences. The final step is to select what you want to add to your view. This could be anything from additional task fields, new task lists to certain filters that help organize your data more effectively. Take a moment to consider which elements would be most beneficial for your project view, then choose the relevant options that Clickup provides. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding views to your Clickup projects. By incorporating different views, you can enhance your project management experience, ensuring that everything is tailored to fit your workflow needs. This customization not only improves productivity, but also ensures that all your team members have access to the same perspectives on shared projects. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.